The cross-product strategy is designed to base the pricing of your products on external Amazon Standard Identification Number, or ASINs, enabling you to respond dynamically to market changes and competitor pricing. This is especially useful when launching a listing without reviews or buy box eligibility. By benchmarking your price against relevant competitors, you increase organic visibility in search results. The core idea of the cross-product strategy is to track specific ASINs, often from competing brands, and automatically adjust your price relative to theirs. You can choose to stay cheaper, more expensive, or match exactly. For example, if you're launching a new coffee mug, you can align its price to a best-selling mug from another brand. You can also add multiple ASINs to compare simultaneously, which allows the strategy to select the most relevant competitor price to base your adjustments on. This keeps your price competitive and dynamic, even if the products aren't exact matches. To set up the cross-product strategy, first, make sure that the Optimization Active toggle is enabled. Select Strategy Type. Choose Cross-Product from the dropdown. Add reference products. Use the Product ASINs field to input competitor ASINs. You can add multiple and remove them at any time. A search tool is available for convenience. In the price gap settings, define how your price should differ from competitors. Choose whether to compare against lowest price, considers all offers. Buy box price, considers only buy box listings. If the buy box is not available, the system uses the standalone price, or max price, if the standalone value is missing or out of range. Specifying a price gap lets you decide how much your price should differ from your competitors. For example, if you enter -0.10, your price will always be 10 cents lower. If you choose +0.10, your price will be 10 cents higher. And if you enter 0, your price will match exactly. You can also choose whether this difference is a fixed value or a percentage. The Filter Competing Offers section helps you fine-tune which competitor prices to consider. You can choose to ignore shipping costs, so only the product price is compared. There's an option to ignore any offers priced below your minimum price, helping you keep your margins safe. And by default, your own offers are excluded, so your pricing isn't affected by your internal products. In the Seller Whitelist and Blacklist section, you control which sellers the strategy considers. Choose Whitelist to include only the sellers you specify, or select Blacklist to exclude particular sellers from the competition. You can easily add or remove multiple Amazon seller IDs as needed. The Advanced Filters section lets you fine-tune which competitor offers are taken into account by the strategy. You can filter sellers by the minimum number of ratings or a minimum rating percentage, ensuring you're only comparing your price against trusted competitors. It's also possible to narrow down by offer type, whether that's FBA, FBM, or both. And by prime status, choosing between prime, non-prime, or all available offers. The price rounding section lets you round your final prices to keep them consistent and aligned with pricing strategies. You set a rounding step, like 0.05, and the system adjusts prices accordingly. For example, a price of 10.83 will be rounded up to 10.85. You can go further by selecting product conditions, like new or used, and by excluding listings with long delivery times or those shipped from abroad. Finally, you can limit the strategy to offers that are instantly available, helping you avoid comparing your product to listings with uncertain stock or delayed shipping. Please note, if no competitors match these filters, the system uses the standalone price. If it's missing or invalid, the max price is used. For more information, visit our knowledge base at support.sellerlogic.com. If you still have questions, feel free to contact our customer success team.